English vocabulary. Fruits.
Apple,
This apple is really sweet.
orange,
Vitamin C is found in oranges and other citrus fruit.
tangerine,
Tangerines are like little oranges.
banana,
I only had a banana for lunch.
Pear.
These pears are still too firm to eat.
Pineapple.
She sliced the pineapple.
Grape.
The grapes are made into wine.
Watermelon.
I eat watermelon every day in the summers.
Cantaloupe.
This cantaloupe is too soft.
Honeydew.
I prefer cantaloupes to honeydew melons.
Mango.
Mango is the national fruit of the Philippines.
Papaya,
Papaya is rich in iron and calcium.
kiwi,
Sliced kiwi fruit may be used to decorate the dessert.
peach,
We planted a peach tree in the backyard.
plum,
These plums are ripe.
cherry,
The peak season for cherries is in the summer.
raspberry,
I like to put raspberries on top of my yogurt.
Blueberry.
Did you get the blueberry pancakes?
Blackberry. I made blackberry jam yesterday. Strawberry.
Do you like strawberries?
Cranberry.
We have apple juice and cranberry juice.
Mulberry.
Mulberry is very soft fruit.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate is one of the healthiest fruits on earth.
Grapefruit.
Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruit are types of citrus fruit.
pomelo,
Are you eating pomelo? It smells so good.
Persimmon,
The persimmons in my garden are finally ripe.
apricot,
I have a beautiful apricot tree which has hundreds of apricots on it. Nectarine.
The nectarine is a fruit, much a peach.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit is a fantastic meat replacement.
Durian.
Have you ever tasted durian fruit?
Lychee.
Lychee is a tropical fruit from southeast China.
Avocado.
The avocado is a valuable food.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit is a tropical fruit that's low in calories and high in fiber.
Longan.
Longan is similar in taste and texture to lychee fruit. Mangosteen.
I like to eat mangosteen. I love dried figs with cream cheese inside.
Passion fruit.
The passion fruit yogurt was creamy and delicious.
Lemon.
Would you like a slice of lemon in your tea?
Lime.
The customer wants a slice of lime in his drink.
Starfruit. A starfruit tree can reach 25 feet in tropical areas.
Guava.
The guava is round or oval in shape.
Sapodilla.
Sapodilla is a tropical fruit that is highly prized for its sweet and flavorful flesh.
Custard apple.
Taiwan is the world's main cultivator of custard apples.
Soursop.
I opted for a delicious soursop milkshake.
Coconut.
The coconut tree is so beautiful.
Rambutan.
Vietnam has become the first nation to export fresh rambutan to New Zealand.
English vocabulary. Fruits. Apple, apple.
orange, orange,
Tangerine, tangerine.
banana, banana,
Pear, pear.
pineapple, pineapple,
Grape, grape.
watermelon, watermelon,
Cantaloupe, cantaloupe.
Honeydew, honeydew.
Mango, mango.
Papaya, papaya.
Kiwi, kiwi.
Peach, peach.
Plum, plum, plum.
Cherry, cherry.
Raspberry, raspberry.
Blueberry, blueberry.
Blackberry, blackberry.
Strawberry, strawberry.
Cranberry, cranberry.
Mulberry, mulberry.
Pomegranate, pomegranate.
Grapefruit, grapefruit.
Pomelo, pomelo.
Persimmon, persimmon.
Apricot, apricot.
Nectarine, nectarine.
Jackfruit, jackfruit.
Durian, durian.
Lychee, lychee.
Avocado, avocado.
Dragon fruit, dragon fruit.
Longan, longan.
Mangosteen, mangosteen.
Fig, fig.
Passion fruit, passion fruit.
Lemon, lemon.
Lime, lime.
Starfruit, starfruit.
Guava, guava.
Sapodilla, sapodilla.
Custard apple, custard apple.
Soursop, soursop.
Coconut, coconut.
Rambutan, rambutan.